Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 27 Developer Beta on your iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max. Before we begin, the first and most important step is creating a fresh backup of your iPhone. I highly recommend backing up your device using iCloud, Finder on a Mac, or iTunes or the Apple Devices app on a Windows PC. This is important because if iOS 27 Beta causes issues on your device and you decide to downgrade back to iOS 26 later, you'll have a backup available to restore your data. So please don't skip this step. Once your backup is complete, let's get started. Open Safari on your iPhone and visit developer.apple.com. Now, sign in using the same Apple account that's currently signed in on your iPhone. Tap the Sign In button at the top of the page. If you don't see it, tap the menu button and select Sign In. After signing in, tap your profile picture or open the menu and select Account. If you see the Apple Developer Agreement screen, tap Agree. Then scroll to the bottom and tap Submit. The good news is that you don't need a paid Apple Developer membership to access the Developer Beta. Once you've accepted the agreement, you can leave Safari and open the Settings app. Tap General, then tap Software Update. At this point, you may not see iOS 27 Beta listed yet. If that's the case, tap Beta Updates. You should now see iOS 27 Developer Beta. Select it and wait a few seconds. Now go back to the Software Update screen. The iOS 27 Developer Beta update should now appear. As you can see, this is a large update, around 20.48 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough available storage before continuing. Next, tap Update Now. I also recommend connecting your iPhone to a strong Wi-Fi network and plugging it into a charger before starting the installation. Enter your passcode when prompted, then review and accept Apple's terms and conditions. Your iPhone will begin downloading the update. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions. Your iPhone will restart several times during installation, and after the process is finished, you'll be running iOS 27 Developer Beta on your iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's all there is to it. If you run into any problems during installation or have questions about iOS 27 Beta, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.